In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start and pin a chat in Microsoft Teams using its web interface. If you're new to Microsoft Teams or just need a quick refresher on how to get a chat session going and keep it within easy reach, you're in the right place. So grab a cozy spot and let's dive right into it. First things first, we need to open Microsoft Teams on the web. Head over to your favorite internet browser, whether it's Safari, Chrome, or Firefox, and type in teams.microsoft.com in the address bar. You'll want to sign in using your Microsoft account. If you're already part of an organization using Microsoft Teams, make sure you use your organizational email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the Teams dashboard, a hub of opportunities waiting to be explored. Now that we're in, our next task is to start a new chat. Look towards the left side of your screen, and you'll see a vertical lineup of icons. This sidebar is your gateway to all things Teams. Click on the little speech bubble icon, cleverly labeled as the chat icon. Once you've entered the chat section, your eyes should search for the new chat button, often denoted by a pencil icon. Give that a click. You'll then be prompted to type in the name or email of the person you want to chat with. Whether it's a colleague, a friend, or both, just start typing, and Teams will help you find who you're looking for. Once you see their contact information appear, click on it to initiate the chat. Now the fun part begins. Typing your message. Compose your thoughts, and once you're satisfied, simply press Enter to send it into the digital ether. Great job! You've sent your message, but what if this conversation is important and you want to keep it easily accessible? That's where pinning comes in handy. Pinning a chat allows it to remain at the top of your list, so you don't have to hunt it down every time you need to continue the conversation. To pin a chat, start by finding it in your recent list. This list is a collection of your most recent interactions, so it shouldn't be too tricky to spot. Once you've located the chat, hover over the contact name, and you'll notice a little set of 3 dots, also known as More Options, appearing right next to it. A single click here unveils a menu with several choices. From this menu, select Pin. Voila! Your chat is now pinned, ensuring it stays put at the top of your list. And there you have it. You've successfully opened a chat, sent a message, and pinned the conversation for easy access in the future. I hope this walkthrough helps make your Microsoft Teams experience a breeze. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.